Are you one of those people na ayaw tanggalin yung mga stickers sa ating mga luggage? Because the more stickers means more travel. If mapansin nyo, yung check-in luggage na label have 3 components. Number 1 is yung pinakamahaba, which nilalagay yan sa handle. Number 2 sticker is nilalagay naman sa inyong boarding pass. Number 3 naman is yung nilalagay talaga sa body ng ating luggage. First of all, before leaving the house, count all your check-in luggage, especially if madami kayo. Second, upon check-in, make sure na naka-attach yung mahabang luggage belt sa inyong luggage, and also the third sticker dapat naka-attach din sa body ng luggage. Third, make sure that you account all your luggage stickers na naka-attach sa boarding pass. Bilangin talaga ng mabuti kasi in case of lost luggage, yan talaga yung ating proof of claim. Fourth, when you go to another destination, you make sure that all your previous luggage stickers are removed. Luggage tags are not for display only. It tracks where your luggage is going to. And dyan din malalaman kung anong airline siya. Especially when you're going in a country na medyo high-tech na, walang taong involved, all are machine operated, kailangan malinis po yung ating mga luggage. Yung current na luggage tag lang dapat yung naka-attach. Kasi baka malito-lito yung mga tao sa airline kung saan siya isasakay na eroplano. Hope this helps. Share and follow for more travel tips.